Whiskey 3 Golf Tango Romeo here, and today we're going to check out this new soldering pot or soldering bath. I got this on Amazon for $37. It's a 300 watt model. It holds 2,300 grams of solder, and it's made by a company called Twinkle Bay, although all I see on the actual product itself is KDRST, made in China. It's $37. I figured I'd give it a shot and see how it works. So we're going to plug this baby in. We're going to melt this this bar here, and then we're going to tin some wires. So let's see how it goes. Alright, now you can see the soldering bath or soldering pot is all set up now. We're ready to tin some wires. So, once you have your wires prepared, I already prepared a few tips that I'm going to tin. Make sure they're dressed out right, and what you want to do is you want to dip your wires in resin. So I like this liquid resin right here. I'll just give it a quick little dip in the resin. And it only takes about 3 or 4 seconds in the solder pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. And I'll go for my next one and I'll show them to you. This really comes in handy when you're dipping a larger wire, like a piece of coax or something like that. And there you go. So nice tinned wires. That's it. That's the demo of the solder pot.